At first glance, you might mistake it for an F-22, and that's not surprising. Meet the KF-21 Falcon, often referred to as South Korea's 4.5 generation stealth fighter. Jointly developed by South Korea, 80%, and Indonesia, 20%. This twin-engine supersonic jet is designed to modernize air combat capabilities and replace aging fighter fleets. The program has a budget of approximately 8.8 trillion won, around 635 billion USD, with full implementation expected by 2028, and a projected deployment of 20 aircraft by 2032. The KF-21 is designed as a 4.5 generation fighter, featuring partial stealth characteristics. Initially, it aimed for 5th generation standards, including internal weapon bays and advanced stealth materials. However, due to technical limitations, the internal magazine was removed, and conventional external weapon mounts were adopted. Despite this, it incorporates cutting-edge systems, such as a phased array radar and an infrared search and tracking system, both developed in South Korea. Powered by twin General Electric F414 engines from the United States, the KF-21 has completed multiple prototype test flights. Its air-to-ground strike capabilities are expected to be operational by early 2027, ahead of the original schedule. Future variants like the KF-21ES with internal weapon bays are planned to further enhance its stealth and combat performance. The KF-21 project highlights South Korea's determination to advance its domestic aerospace industry. While international cooperation was essential, bringing in engines, radar technology, and optical systems from the US, Israel, and Europe, the program successfully laid the groundwork for self-reliant fighter jet development. Despite compromises in stealth due to technological challenges, the KF-21 represents a major leap forward for Korea's defense capabilities, balancing practical research, international collaboration, and high-performance aviation engineering.